So when I'm creating a front and rear implement, so it could be that I've got a front mower and a rear mounted mower. The way I go about doing that is go to create an implement, new implement. So we're selecting that it's going to be the front in there, and I can put in that I've got the front mower in there. It's obviously set for the front hitch. We put in our working width, so obviously we'll be looking at the cutting bed as to how much that is the cutting disc are doing. But we'll say that we've got a 3 meter mower in there. Again, is we've got pre-populated in our center distance. I can, again, if I wanted to, measure from the front link arms how far forward the mower went, or again as to the steered element within there. Is just remember to switch over onto auto, and then it's dependent on with that front mower, is it being lowered with the rear linkage, with the front linkage, or is it being lowered with a spool valve as going to be the trigger for the mapping. But also say that I've got a push type mower, so that's going to be operated with the front linkage for the mapping. So when I come back then, is I need to set my my rear mower. So again, as I go into the plus button, select that it's going to be rear. It's going to be a 3-point hitch mounted mower in this example, and then I can type in the name that we've got the rear mower on the back of the tractor. And again, is we make sure just to switch it over to auto for the mapping, and we put in our working width. And in this example again, but say for instance we've got another 3 meter wide mower on there. Now if I go back to the screen and we look at our tractor, now all of a sudden is I got both implements sat straight behind each other. So I should be taking a 6 meter wide cut on here, but in the screen is I'm only taking cutting 3 meters because it thinks the rear mower is straight behind the tractor. So the way to counteract this is to come back into our implement settings. And once we're in our implement settings, is we need to alter this center distance figure. Now the way we want to work this one out then is we want to measure effectively then from the center of the tractor all the way out to the outer cutting disc of the mower in there, and then whatever that total distance is what we would put in here. So say for instance is in my example from measuring from the middle of the tractor, so from the PTO stub shaft all the way out to the outside cutting disc, and that figure ended up being 4.2 meters. Is I would put 4.2 meters into my center distance figure there, and then when I go back to my mapping page, is you'll see is my mower now is being pushed right to the outer edge of the tractor, and so now is my way line will be coming straight down the middle between my two mowers, and I'm now taking my full 6 meter cutting.